Local news for Monday the 7th of August. Masterton-based plastering company Plaster Solutions has been awarded the title of North Island Central Region Resin Construction Systems Plastering Firm of the Year 2017. Plaster Solutions was also awarded Residential House of the Year 2017 for a house the firm plastered in Martinborough for local building firm Thistle Building Company. Owner-operator Steve Hutchinson was completely blown away and very proud of his young and enthusiastic team. Led by his foreman Richard Mackay, the award is a credit to their skill and passion in producing outstanding workmanship. Friday saw the Big Lunch-On take place in Carterton, the event, of course, to promote breastfeeding in women. 109 women took part, down on the previous year of 117. And in sport, East Coast have retained their Premier Club status with a convincing 48-27 win over Masterton Red Star on Saturday. It wasn't all the Coast's way, however, as Stars tested them several times and fought extremely well. A large crowd was in attendance, and for the game prior to that, Wairarapa Bush under-20s match. In the last minutes of the game, the Wairarapa Bush team come back to beat Honowhenua Kapiti 39-34. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.